Hello guys, so today we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and let's go right ahead in the video. So guys, this is the package and I ordered it from Samsung.com, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and then the the Galaxy Buds 3, not the Pro version, it's the normal one, the base model. And then let me open this real quick. Just a minute guys, give me a minute. Let me pull this box out. Alright, it's kind of hard. To be honest, the packaging is very nice. I like the packaging. Alright, let me just flip it. Okay, there's a pull tab. Let me just pull it here. Okay, alright. Yes. Oops. Oh no. Let me just pull it again. Yeah. Alright, should I open it like this? Wait. Yeah, I think I should flip it. Never mind, never mind. I have to like, yeah. Alright. So yeah, guys, yeah, here you go, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and then the Galaxy Buds 3. Yeah, so here's a close-up look over here, and let's keep this aside. And the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Yes, and let's keep this over here. So first, what should we open first, do you think, guys? Okay, let's go on ahead with the watch first. So yes, let's go on with the watch. Okay, there's two pull tabs over here. You have to pull it. Let me pull this, and one, and then the second one, and that's it. Now you just take it and it slides off. So this is the watch over here, the display, and then this is the button, the three buttons, the sensor, and then the speaker, and here also speaker and mics, and a bunch of sensors under, and then here again the three buttons and then the sensor. This is a new sensor, and by the way, this has the bezel which you can rotate, and the bezel is only available in the classic version of the Galaxy Watch 8. And then let's open the manuals and stuff. Oh wait, let me check what's inside this. Oh wait, I think there's nothing inside this. Yeah, let's go down. Okay, so this is an instruction on how to put the strap in. So yes, let's take the strap. Alright, so this is the strap. This has a leather feeling on the top, and in the bottom it has a silicone finish, as you can see, and then the bars in the end are like made up of titanium, I think. And then let me just see how to attach it to the watch. Okay. Right, I think this is where it goes in the watch. Yeah, just push it. Oh wait, why isn't it going? Oh, there's a button here. You have to press it. Yes. Wait. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so there's a button here, to be honest. There's a button in the watch itself over here, as you can see. And then, yeah, we're gonna put this inside the second strap. Alright, done. Oh, never mind. Oh, done. Okay, it's kind of hard to put the straps in. Alright. A little bit more. Yes. Is it okay? Oh, never mind. Oh, okay. Let me just put it again. Let me press it hard, the button. Yeah. Let me just. Yeah. Is it okay right now? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's done. So this is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with the straps on. It looks pretty good. Here we go. Let me keep it aside and then let's check about the charger and the manual over here. Oh, it's not coming. Just a minute. Let me tap this. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay, there's a pull tab over here. All right. Okay. Let's open the charger first. All right. I assume the charger is in this side. Oh yeah, this is the charger. So yes, let me open it up real quick for you guys. Alright, here we go. So this is the close-up view. Let me take it out over here, and it's firmly fixed in the box. Yes, here we go. So this is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classics charger. It charges in a magnetic charger, and it's in Type C. Um, so to charge it, you need a Type C adapter, which does not come include with this. And here's the manual, and that's it. Let's just pack this up real quick and go for the next thing, which is the Galaxy Buds 3. Yeah, let me just keep this here where it was, and then the box of this one, and then close it. Alright, alright. So yeah, here you go, the Galaxy Buds 3. Alright, so there's two pull tabs here, and the first one, okay, it's kind of firm here. Just yeah, oh, it yeah, it cut on half. Alright, yeah, pulled up, and the second one, let's pull it again. It's kind of firm in this buds, to be honest. Alright, done. Okay, next let me see if it slides. I think it does not. Okay, it's so firm, it does not. Let me just, guys, just give me a minute, let me open it up. It's too tight in this box. Okay, it's not coming. Oh, okay, just a minute, let me take the edges first. Oh yes, I got it. All right, let's go. Let's open it. So this is the Galaxy Buds 3. As you see over here, it has a clear top, and then the charging indicator in the middle, and then this is the Type C cable charger, and then this is the button for pairing, and you can check the charge, how much charge it has. And this is the right one, which has the blue, I mean orange color, and this is the left one, which has the blue color, for to keep it on the place. So yeah, as you see, it's full. It's not full, but almost full. That's why the indicator is green. And let's go to the manual and the charger part. All right, let's open this. So this is the charger. This is Type C to Type C. I'm not going to use it, to be honest, because I'll mostly use wireless charger. So yeah, let's keep it aside. And then the manual, and yeah, I'm not going to read the manual anyways. Who reads it these days, guys? All right, let's keep it in. Okay, let me keep it inside. Let me pack these up, and that's it. All right, so that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, like and share and support me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. See you.